So I'm here at Dream Ride. I came here early. It was downpouring when I got here, but right here you've got Michael Fuchs's Senna. That is the second chassis that is actual customer car. And then right here you have, this was brought by McLaren Boston. Don't know if this is pre-production or what, but I like this spec better. I like the blue with the orange accents. I'm still not digging the rear end on these things. It's just, from the front, they look really, really sleek, really cool. But the rear, it's, maybe it'll grow on me, maybe it won't, but the wing just seems too far up, too high. It's like a racer, but who knows? They're saying it's all about racetracks, but I don't even know if they posted any lap times or anything like that, but we'll see. You've got a bunch of McLarens there. I believe this was from McLaren Boston. Miller Motor Cars in Greenwich has their little lot. They've got some Ferraris over here, and still, this is real early. Nothing really has shown up yet, so things are going to be as much of a surprise to you as they are to me. Check this out. This P1, kind of see it in the details. Carbon edition P1, 1 out of 5 that they made. These weren't originally carbon fiber. They were rebodies, and ironically or coincidentally, Michael Fuchs had 1 out of the 5, but here's one. I think this is customer owned. It's not McLaren Boston's car, but they brought it here. It really matches the Senna right there, which is pretty cool. There we go. This orange P1 is delicious, including with the carbon P1, 2 Sennas. Now, if only he can put this in race mode. Like the carbon fiber on the back. It's Good looking car. He didn't put it in race mode. Boo-hoo. Finally put this in race mode, and look at the differences between this. But you got the P1 logo on the windshield, but you don't have a P1 logo right there. But you have the McLaren logo on the wing. So, yeah. Big fan, and you got the Senna now.
As we are about to move
waiting to see the BP23, which is the bespoke number 2 3-seater.
Thank you.
And here we've got a 599XX. So this is the 599 race version. Actually seen a couple of these. I like this Rosso Bia-esque color, but that's not the only race car that we have. If you look back here, there's it's like an F1 Ferrari car, and don't know whose car this is, but it's here. Here comes the egg. I'm over here trying to catch a ride and nobody's giving me a ride. Come on, guys. I'm giving a thumbs up. Give me a ride.
That's my boss right there. Frank, that's my boss.
Big baller right here. You've got the new Rolls Royce Phantom. Check it out. This is the first Koenigsegg I have ever seen in my life. It's the King's Agera XS, one of two with Lamborghini KS's being the other KXS, but man, look at the carbon fiber wheels and just look at that wing. This thing's bananas. It's the best way to put it. And you've got King Tasma right there, La Ferraris, 50th anniversary editions. Sweet. Check out the color on this La Ferrari and compare it to that yellow La Ferrari. It's like an off yellow, the cream, but that one is more of a deeper yellow. And you've got Lamborghini case's old SV. What a good looking La Ferrari. What a job! And here we have the Ferrari Enzo, and what I've noticed here, instead of Montana plates, what they have in Connecticut are This is dealer plates. I don't know why everybody's gonna have a dealer plate. I guess nobody wants to register it, so that's the way of avoiding taxes. I registered my Miata. So right here you have Michael Fuchs's 2 matching cars. If you don't know the story on this, he was at Monterey Car Week 2 years from this year, and he found a flower, gave one to Rolls-Royce, gave one to McLaren, and said, make me a car, and they made him identical cars in that same exact color with, just check that white interior. And then you've got the white interior on the Dawn, and you've got his GTS right there, but this thing is gorgeous. So look at this. The color of the flower is, I think, called a fuchsia, and he uses a pun off of his name, so fuchsia. And then you've got one fuchsia right here, which is pretty good. Protect the Panther. Florida plates. He's got Florida plates. MF Michael Fuchs 812, and I think that's his GTRS or whatever. And of course you have the Huayra Roadster, Pagani something, Lamborghini, of course. That's the Lamborghini. Oh, that's Ferrari, sorry. It's Italian something. Pagani, Huayra BC, and a Zonda. Look at that wing. You sexy and you know it.
That's track only.
Time to roll out. Roll out. Goes the La Ferrari, King Casma, Guerra XS. That's a celebrity right there, Sojo Photography. He's famous. And then the King. Time to get some dope photos.
Yeah!
Roll out.
Get the weep.
So right here you have the Aston Martin New Vantage. I would love to take one of these in blue Cephas with the V12 motor and a 6-speed, which they, the guy from Exclusive Automotive Group or Aston Martin Tyson's near DC had told me that they're planning on making one in the next year, but honestly, this new one looks good. This with the DBS, I'll take it. I like this color though.